All right, we are in the shop. I got the E92 back in here with the boys. We're gonna do lowering springs today. I got performance filters going in, grill, oil change, new dash can, cabin filters, and maybe brake fluid if we have time. And that'll be like the little first phase of getting this car ready for the season coming up. You know, preventative maintenance stuff, man. And then once we get all this on, I'll start on the second phase. I got to get these wheels set up, change these wheels and tires, and get the stance right, and get an alignment and the tires balanced and the wheels balanced.
Yeah, we're doing the oil change. We'll start with the oil first, though. Yeah, let's just start the oil first, because the oil change is pretty quick. Oh, I finally found the shit so it wouldn't make a mess for oil changes, bro. That attaches to the top. This is like for BMW, you put a cap and it just stays in there, bro. It will never come off.
Oh, that's sick.
About having to hold the shit, you just go.
Yeah. That's essential. All right, we got the chrome ones out. We're gonna go ahead and put the matte ones in, baby. Cause you know I gotta chrome delete my shit. There we go. Let me get this up. There we go. Jeez. Oh yeah, it looks way better. Macros look way better. Makes the car dangerous. Here's the springs. What's going on? Somebody hooked me up. I didn't have to order those, man. He had them in the freaking closet. Worked out perfect. Alright, this is the original filter right here. This thing dusty as hell. Ready to come out.
You slid in? There it is.
There you go. It's fire. Looks sick. I wonder if the cover's gonna fit on this fucking thing.
If you don't, you know you actually don't need the cover, right?
That's what my pops was saying. He said, run that shit without the cover on it.
It's just that you're gonna keep it stock, you know what I mean? Then might as well look stock part. But then get used to the cover, because then they even.
All right, we're done with the performance filter grills. Now we're gonna put the cabin filters in, and then we'll probably get onto the lowering springs and change the oil. These are mad dirty. This is what they're supposed to be.
We don't even gotta disconnect that.
Jesus. Yeah, look at it. Look at the difference, dude.
Look at that supercharger just go up. That's nuts.
That sounds crazy, bro. Sounds like some Mopar action up on there. Piece of shit wheels. How wide are these fuckers? Hello. Chill. They're not horrible. Chill. Chill. Horrible is cracked.
No, not cracked. I'm saying
they're ready to go.
The pads are brand new. They did a pad slap on it. But hey, SCP, bro. So when you got a trade on Let me see the size. Give me the 21 real quick. 21? Yep. That's the first one. Let me see the other one. Which one is? I think this is 21 over here too. Yep, 21 on this side. But you got a 21 over there? Black sockets, is that 21 or the other one? That's it. Alright, you ready? Do the 21 first. Which one's that one? The front one, yeah.
Crusty Dusty's out.
This piece is the top. That piece right there is the top. That's the bottom piece right there. Mírala ahí, un chin más para atrás, dale. Got it straight.
No, I'm saying in the bottom.
Oh, yeah, it is.
All right, good.
All right, that's good. Once it touches, stop right there. You want me to go first, Bo? Goes front or goes back? Go.
All right, we're working on the front now. We got the rears in. More to do. All set. Last spring going in, the front driver, and we're done, baby. This thing's dropped officially. That yellow looks good in there too.
Here you go.
And that is it. Springs are on, filters are in. Pretty much done. Just got to do the oil real quick, but that's easy with the lift. If I was at home, I'd have to do this in the driveway. And that's terrible. Nobody wants to do that. We got the oil drain. And we're on the final steps. This baby's getting some well-deserved fresh oil.
It's 25.
The special oil filler for the E90s. Because it has the worst fucking setup ever right here. If you guys have one, you know what I'm talking about. But this makes it easy. No spill. It's right here, buddy. Liquid Molly, we need sponsors, by the way. We all drive BMWs. We'll use all kinds of oil from y'all. I'm gonna tag you guys in this. Liquid Molly. Keep that. That's a wrap. We're done. We didn't get to the brake fluid today, but we'll get that next time. We'll come back next week. Do the paddles and brake fluid, and probably, I'll probably buy some other stuff in the meantime by then. But let's see what it looks like with the little drop on it. And then tomorrow I'm going to try to put my apexes on here. They're supposed to fit theoretically, so we'll see tomorrow. And we'll be Oh, it looks so good with the black grills. That changed the whole car up, boy.
looks so much better. Right?
Much better, guys. Mission complete today with the garage. Phase 1 on Project E92, bad boy. Good job. And the homies got their beanies coming out. Get the cop one. I'm gonna put a link in here. Oh, they fit good too. This is gonna keep me nice and warm, baby. Oh yeah, check it out. Look at that. Stitching's nice, everything. Hit them up on Instagram. Hit them on TikTok. You can hit me up. I'll send you their link. Car looks dope. Fucking lowered. Luckily, my boy had the spring, so I didn't even have to order them. We got the filters done, oil done. What else do we do? Lower springs, oil, filters, cabin filters, and next time we'll do the brake fluid. I put the new dash cams in, and I have a couple other things I gotta order, but hey, that's the first phase. I'll keep you guys, obviously, I'm gonna keep updating every time we do something in this car, and then I got some things I'm gonna do in the F80, and the E36 right now, I need to replace a blower motor so I can bleed the coolant system properly, and then that car will be ready to go. But yeah, I'm excited, man. It's gonna be a good winter of builds, modding, doing all the stuff we love. Peace.